Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to upload video in YouTube in with mobile, only using mobile. How to upload a video in mobile phone YouTube app. Open the YouTube app and press the middle plus bar plus icon and scroll upside. Click the upload button and you can choose the video which you want to upload to the YouTube and upload the YouTube and put the title and put the title. You can type the description and you can select this public, private or unlist. Public means you can put any other you can see. Private means only you can see. Unlist means that also you can only see. That's the only thing. Next you can put a location, which location you want to see. Next you should agree that this is not for children. Second one, you should know this is not age restriction. Age content, 18 plus content or not. You can give 18 plus content or not, or no means no. So if you put 18 plus content, it will not monetize. So turn off this 18 plus content, and you can put so many tags. You just put an hashtag. You can see how a lot of hashtags coming. Hashtags are coming next. You can add to the playlist. You can create a new playlist and add the video to playlist. So that's all. And next click the upload. Now this video will be uploaded automatically on the YouTube. So everyone can watch video on the YouTube. So put